Everyone, I'm sitting in the new car for the channel right over here. I don't know if you see there behind my head. Oh, there it says Type R, and this is a Honda Civic FN2 Type R. Alright, that is the new car, and there is a few problems here and there that I'm going to show you guys now. But make sure you subscribe and comment down below what mods you should do to this car. Number one being this bumper. I don't know if it's the way you install this bumper. I think it's probably just a clip isn't put in, so the car's bumper has to come off. There is some chips on the bonnet, but I can see the bonnet of the car was resprayed. But that's not a big issue. The door handles, you'll see on this door handles, this covers, I think this covers is supposed to clip on, or I don't know if you must stick on, but yeah, that must be secured on. Petrol cap also must be secured on, but this is the cap part, this isn't the actual flap. The flap is fine. I think the brakes also of this car needs to be changed, and this part of the door must be touched up. And I think over the car needs a polish. You can see there's some swirl marks, but yeah, it's not major issues. Stuff you can fix quick fast. So here's the interior of the car. Here's also another thing, the shifter boot is very worn. You can see I'm gonna get the suede one, as well as the thingy is loose. But besides that, the car is perfectly fine. I didn't pick up anything else. Like, besides that, there is some paint imperfections here and there. It's all know by now, obviously. But yeah, it's K20 IV Tech. Like I say, through the case, the car is very, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like, it's so quick through the gears. Oh yeah, and this car is a push start. The previous owner also got the brake fluid flushed and clutch fluid. So yeah, there's another problem on the FN2. The lights is a bit easy. So I'm just gonna do a quick polish, and I'm also gonna take it out and sand it like I did with my lights. What I actually forgot to record is the boot shocks. So they fitted now new boot shocks in. Forgot to record that. But yeah, for this new boot shocks, the boot shocks wasn't working before. Alright, so I got the handle off. You just clean the sticky residue of the sellotape. Now we clean off the handle or so. Alright, so I need to just check the contact points. So right there and here, maybe I'll just add on this corner. But yeah, it's gonna look better than how it did. Go line here. And there we go. Now we just wait a bit. Just wait until it's dry. Maybe tomorrow, and we can take the tape off. Okay, now it's time to just sort out this dent here. Okay, here we go. Knocked him more or less straight. Guys, remember me saying the car's brakes and stuff looked a bit sketchy, you know, they look very, how do I say, worn. So, fresh new dust as well as pads. This car's dust is massive. It's fat and massive, look at it. There's the back, this is the front. Got obviously 868 oil, gonna service the car. Oil filter for the FN. And look at those brake pads. Come in a flippin' box. Like an actual plastic box. Yeah, is it? I don't know why this brake disc look different and smells like popo. But yeah. There's that. Here's the back disc. See over here. And then lastly, plugs. You said of your radium plugs. But yeah, here's a new oil drain thingy. So now just need to get that car moved and then yeah, I'll be ready to do all of this. But you see that? This is definitely, the discs are very worn. I can feel the line. Let's go use some bolts. Just try to get away. Okay, guys. The front page is still actually nice. You look at it line. What? Alright, just did all the calipers. This is the calipers around now. Those back ones as well. Those back ones. See, yes, with a wheel on. Guys, there's a plate here. You can take off of the other skid plate for the sump drain nut. I'm gonna take this off quick and then I can drain the oil. Carrot oil. Yes, that's kitchen oil. I think there was water on the tappet cover, because on the coil packs there was that green corroded whatever. Whoever previously owned this car might have done it, you know, when they clean the engine bay, they pressure wash it, and then water ended up here under. New pluggies, iridiums. Alright guys, here's the new spotlights. Yeah. The other thing is, the outside, the frame is a different color on the two, but look, it's not bad. You won't notice it. Fresh new spotlights, as well as the actual globes itself. This is, what's it, hella? They're supposed to be very quiet, very good spotlights that is supposed to last for long. So you know, put the stuff all in the FN2 now like that, and then yeah. So here's the new spots. Now plug them in quickly and see how they look and if they work and everything. Ooh, that's bright. See, the fan is spinning, the back is up. Now I can put it in the bumper, the new spots there. Alright, so suppose you just go in like this. Yeah, so then I'm just turn that 10 nut tight. And yeah, fresh new spot in. You guys see? Woo, that looks beautiful. Fresh new spotlights. Now bumper needs to go back on. Alright, there we go, the bumper is in. Unfortunately I can't fix this that's here, that's popping out. It's almost like the actual like clip is broken that the bumper is supposed to slide in. But besides that, it's fine. So I'll just now put everything together, and then yeah. You guys have it. The FN2 is done now. Sorted out most of the problems, and I don't know if you guys see behind me, this car's in the sky. So there's some more videos coming out soon. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.